3, 4.
Welcome!
Let's go!
Welcome.
Guys, there's our seats!
Oh no! I'm late! Hi!
Here's my ticket.
Bye-bye!
What? Guys, there's our seats! The movie's already started!
Wait!
Ow! Watch your step, please!
Sorry!
What are you doing?
Excuse me.
No. Come to the movies a little early. Next time, I'll be on time. Okay. What? Whose phone is that? Oh wait, it's mine. It's in a backpack.
Ooh, what's this?
Hold this.
Oh!
Ducks? Oh no. Hold this.
Oops!
Found it. Finally, it's over. Hello?
Hi!
Yes, I'm in the cinema.
Wow!
And it's so fun. Next time, you have to go with me. Shh. Quiet, please. Facebook is very famous. That's why I like Twitter and Facebook. Be silent during the movie, please. Okay, I will call you later.
Bye-bye!
Sorry.
Funny, right? Ow. So funny, right?
Stop. Stop hitting me. Attention, please. Don't disturb other people during the movie. I got it. Okay.
Whoa!
Ooh, what's this?
Yummy.
Hey!
What's happening?
Ew! Oh no! No littering in the cinema.
Uh-oh.
It's not me.
Let's go!
Yes! This was fun.